Here is detailed step-by-step guide to building a tiny home on wheels with a triple axle and customized decorative modern exterior wall. And then for the first aspect is preparation. It's about day 1 until day 7. And then for the first point of it is about design and planning. Create a custom design for your tiny home, considering factors like space, functionality, and budget. And then for the second point of it is about choose a trailer. Select a triple axle trailer suitable for your tiny home's size and weight. And then for the third point of it is about gather materials, source materials including lumber, roofing, insulation, drywall, windows, doors, and exterior finishes. And then for the fourth point of it is obtain necessary permits, secure permits from local authorities before commencing construction. And then for the fifth point of it is prepare the workspace, set up a safe and efficient workspace including tools and equipment. And then for the step 1 is about the trailer preparation. It's on the day 8 until the 14. And then for the first point of it is about the inspect and clean the trailer. Ensure the trailer is in good condition and clean. And then for the second point of it is remove any existing decking. Take out the existing decking to prepare for new flooring. Then for the third point of it is install new decking. Put in new decking materials such as pressure treated lumber or steel. And then for the fourth point of it is ensure trailer is level. Verify the trailer is level and secure. And for the fifth point is install axle reinforcement. Add reinforcement to the axles to support the weight of the tiny home. Then for the step 2 is about the framing. It's on the day 15 and until 28. The first point of it is construct the floor frame. Build the floor frame using lumber, ensuring it's level and secure. Then for the second point of it is build the wall frames. Construct the wall frames using lumber and ensuring they are square and level. And then for the third point is install roof trusses. Put in roof trusses, spacing them according to your design. And then for the fourth point is add roof decking. Install roof decking materials such as plywood or oriented strand board or OSB. And then for the fifth point of it is install wall setting. Put in wall setting materials such as plywood or OSB. And then for the third step is installation of windows, doors, and roofing. It's on the days 29 until 42nd. The first point on the third step is install windows and doors. Put in windows and doors, ensuring proper sealing and flashing. And then for the second point of it is install roofing materials. Choose a suitable roofing materials, for example, about asphalt, shingle, metal, or rubber, and install it according to the manufacturer's instruction. And then for the third point of it is ensure weather tight sealing. Verify all openings are sealed properly. And then for the fourth point is install exterior trim. Put in exterior trim to cover gaps and edge. And then for the fourth point of it, for this fourth step of it is about the insulation, drywall, and interior finishing. It's on the day 43rd and until 63rd. And then for the first point of the fourth step is about insulate the tiny home. Install insulation and in the walls, floor, and ceiling. And then for the second point of it is install drywall. Hang and finish drywall to create smooth wall and ceilings. And then for the third point of it is install interior finishes. Put in flooring, cabinets, countertops, and fixture. And then for the fourth point of it, it's install plumbing, electrical, and HVAC system. You can hire professional to install this system. Then for the fifth step is about customized decorative modern exterior wall. It's on day 64th until 77. Then for the first point of the fifth step is about design and plan the exterior wall. Create a design for the customized decorative modern exterior wall. And the second point of it is choose materials. We have to select materials for the exterior wall such as reclaimed wood, metal paneling, or glass. And then for the third point of it is install the exterior wall. Put in the exterior wall, ensuring proper sealing and flashing. Then for the fourth point of it is add decorative elements. Install decorative elements such as trim, molding, or accents. And then for the sixth step is about final touches. It's on the day 78 until 91st. And then for the first point of the sixth step is about finish the interior. We have to install fixture, appliance, and finishes. Then for the second point of it is inspect and test system. Ensure all systems are functioning properly. And then for the third point of it is conduct a final inspection. We have to check for any defects or issues. And then for the fourth point of it is obtain necessary certification. We have to get certification from local authorized. And then the seventh step is about move in. It's on more than the 90 second. Then for the first point of the seventh step is about the move in and enjoy relocate to your new tiny home. Then about the customized decorative modern exterior wall option, the first point of it is reclaim wood siding. We can also adds a rustic touch. Then for the second point of it is metal paneling provides a modern industrial look. Then for the third point is glass or acrylic panels adds a touch of sophistication. Then for the fourth point of it is cedar siding offers natural warm aesthetic. And then for the fifth point of it is stucco creates a smooth contemporary finish. And then for the important consideration is the first point of it is weight distribution. We have to ensure the trailer can handle the weight of the tiny home. Then for the second point of it is towing safety. We have to verify the tiny home is safe to tow. And for the third point is local building codes. Comply with local regulation and ordinance. Then for the fourth point, it is insurance and financing. We have to research option for insuring and financing your tiny home. Then just remember to consult professional and ensure compliance with local building codes throughout the construction process.